Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M31s smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can hide pattern line in your phone Samsung Galaxy M31s. If you put pattern in your phone, there will be a line tracking. See here, when you draw the pattern, the drawing area will be shown. So if you want to hide those lines, you can do it. Just go to the settings of your phone first and click on lock screen and click on secure lock settings. For authentication, first you need to draw your pattern. Now turn off this button, make pattern visible. So if you turn on this button, then it is visible. Make it visible. That option is given here. If you want to turn it off, just you go to off this button, tap on this button and it will off. Now pattern will not be showing when you draw it. Check it now. I draw the pattern, but there is no tracing of the pattern. There is no line drawing, so pattern is invisible now. In this way, you can easily set pattern invisible in your phone Samsung Galaxy M31s. If you turn on this button, then only the line will be tracked. So in this way, you can easily set pattern line invisible in your phone Samsung Galaxy M31s. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.